morning, Cabot High. I'm Sagan De Oliveira. Welcome back to Day 3 at Cabot High School. It's almost Friday. Here's Mr. Falsinelli once again with his first message of the year.
Good morning, Cabot High School, and welcome back. I am assuming all of you had a great, relaxing, and fun-filled summer. It's always a great time to be able to return to school and begin the next chapter of your life. Juniors and seniors, we are thrilled to have you back on campus and look forward to continuing and broadening the relationships we've developed. Sophomores, welcome to CHS. The faculty and the staff are looking forward to getting to know you and helping you map out a plan for your next step. Before I move forward and speak with each specific class, there are a few items and changes that I would like to discuss with you. And by no means do I want to be negative as we begin the school year. But these are items that are important and you need to be aware of them. The first, and maybe the most impactful, is that of the use of personal electronic devices. You can find a list of personal electronic devices in your student handbook beginning on page 66. But some of the obvious and most common personal electronic devices are cell phones, earbuds, and smartwatches. While we understand and appreciate your belongings and your possessions, we as a district have to respect and abide by state law. In fact, the state law reads as follows. A student shall not be in possession of or use a personal electronic device during the school day. Yes, that does include cell phones, earbuds, and Apple Watches. The school day is defined as from the time the first bell rings to when the last bell rings, or from 7:50 to 3:15. A student is deemed not to be in possession of a personal electronic device as long as it's stored in your backpack. That means you cannot have it out in your pocket or in your hoodie or in your ears or on your arm. At no point during the school day should you have a personal electronic device. This includes during lunch, during 2B1, and transitioning from class to class. If you are found to be in possession of a personal electronic device, then it will be taken up and placed in the office for the remainder of the day. More guidelines will be given to you at your handbook meeting. Another big change this year, and it's probably going to be a big relief for the big majority of you. Beginning this school year, you will no longer be using tardy cards. Our tardy policy has changed as well. Over the past, you were allowed 7 tardies, and on the 8th, there was some form of consequence. Beginning now, and for this school year, tardies are taken for each class period. You are allowed 2 tardies per class period. On the 3rd tardy, and for each additional tardy after that, in a particular class period, some form of consequence will be handed down, ranging from detention to Saturday school. Tardies do reset at the beginning of each 9 weeks. Again, additional information concerning tardies will be provided at your handbook talks. Seniors, this is an exciting time for you. You are entering the final phase of your CHS career. And while May 17th may seem like a long time away, it will be here very soon and you will be walking across the stage receiving your diplomas. Please do what you have to do in order to get to walk across that stage. Please ensure that you're in the required classes for graduation. And please, take your attendance seriously. I would hate for you not to be able to participate in graduation ceremonies because you missed too many school days. Juniors, this is an exciting time for you as well. Many of you are beginning to figure out what that next step is for you. You're beginning to see how the classes at CHS are geared to prepare you for life after Cabot High School. For many of you, school is becoming much more pivotal in the fact that you now have a big say in the classes that you take. And in turn, school becomes much more relevant and even more enjoyable for you. And finally, our sophomores, welcome to Cabot High School. While this is a big step for you as you begin your CHS career, I am sure that there will be a little bit of apprehension for most of you. At first glance, this could be a little overwhelming and even a little intimidating. But I promise, you will adjust. And in a short time, you will know your way around CHS and will become a special place for you. Myself and all the faculty and staff are excited and glad you are here. We cannot wait to see you grow and mature and become vital members of Cabot High School. On Thursday or Friday of this week, we are looking to begin a new tradition here at Cabot High School. Sophomores, as you begin your journey at CHS, we understand that it is a team effort in order for you to achieve your goals. Teachers, counselors, and administrators are a big part of your success, but an even bigger impact is that of your family. We want your parents and guardians to be an integral part of what you are trying to accomplish at Cabot High School. So on Thursday and Friday of this week, we are going to hold our first ever sophomore breakfast. We are inviting your parents to come to CHS and eat breakfast with you as we kick off a new school year. Depending on your first period teacher will determine if you come on Thursday or if you come on Friday. If you have English, social studies, agri, and foreign language first period, you will attend on Thursday. If you have math, science, career and technical, or fine arts at first period, you will come on Friday. Breakfast will be from 7:15 to 8:30 those days. Your first period teacher will provide you more information and details concerning sophomore breakfast. Again, I cannot express how excited that myself and the rest of the faculty are to be starting a new school year. While this is an exciting time, we also understand that we progress through the year, there will be some bumps and adversity along the way. But those tough times do not last forever. We have resources here at Cabot High School that can help see you through and help you navigate those challenges. But the important thing is to persevere and to stay positive. I have no doubt that we are going to have a great year. I look forward to watching all of our students grow and mature. So let's have a great year, and as always, go Panthers!